my name is Brittany Spanjer-Furstenburg. I'm a local realtor here in Northeast Florida, serving the greater Jacksonville area, including Duval and St. Johns counties. And today I wanted to talk about a neighborhood in Nocatee. Nocatee is a very popular community, and this particular neighborhood is called West End at Town Center, and they have something a little bit different to offer. If you're looking for a home that is modern, luxurious, very low maintenance, you may be interested in looking at something at the West End Town Center. Here in this neighborhood, you'll find a variety of townhomes and villas built by prestigious builders here: ICI Homes, Toll Brothers, and Dostie Homes. ICI builds townhouses, and they start in the high 400,000s. They are between 3 and 4 bedrooms, 2 to 3.5 baths, and they range from about 1,600 to a little over 1,800 in square feet. Then also you have Dostie and Toll Brothers, and they're the ones who build the villas, and they both offer 1 and 2 story villas depending on what you are more interested in. And the villas will range from about 1,600 square feet up to just under 2,500 square feet. And they also will be 3 to 4 bedrooms and between 2 and 3.5 baths. And today I'm going to show you one of the 1-story villas by Dostie Homes called the Savoy. It is a very popular floor plan. It is about 1,800 square feet. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath home with an office. Unfortunately, I did not get footage of the office this time, but it's right in the door on the right when you first walk into the home. So this will give you an opportunity to see what a Dostie villa looks like. There are a couple of these that are available now. So if you're looking more for a quick move-in where you don't have to deal with the lengthy process of building, let me know and I can provide to you the floor plans that they have that are quick move-ins that are ready now. And there are also a few that are going to be ready very soon, which you could of course purchase now if you're ready now. 2 of the villas that are ready now are 2-story villas. They both are 4 beds, 3.5 baths, and they're between, one of them is about 2,350 square feet and the other one's about 2,400 square feet. So they're on the larger side for the villas. But there are a couple of others that are also available, like I said. So if you need that information, please let me know. And without further ado, I present to you the Savoy. Thank you so much for watching. If you are in the area or if you're out of state, whatever the case may be, and you are interested in looking at a home here in Nocatee, here in the Jacksonville area, please reach out, let me know. I love working with relocation clients. I've also lived in the area for about 10 years now. So if needed, I will leave my information below. Feel free to reach out to me at any time and I will be able to help you. Have a good day.